Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video. I had some lady from Amazon directly drop it off at my house. I have no idea what's in it. It doesn't have a name on it other than my name. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're going to measure this box, and I'm going to show you real quick. There's nothing on this label. It just says 5.9 pounds, 1025. Antonio Michael, my address. It has this weird tracking number I've never seen that starts with a T and a B. So Tony and a Bravo, and A for Alpha. Doesn't say who it's from. It does show on this side Amazon emblem. The lady that dropped it off said she was from Amazon. I thought she was from the post office because it looked like just a personal white car. And there was no like Amazon emblem on it or Postal Service emblem on it or USPS emblem or anything like that. But let's measure this. You know, I'm just gonna make a guess what's in the box video out of this, and then we'll just unbox it. I think it might be an Ulsa tool, but I'm not sure. All the tools that I've received from Ulsa Tools, especially ones that they've sent me just for me to check out and bring to the channel, they always had Ulsa Tools and Ulsa Tools address from Vegas and everything on the shipping label. So this one doesn't have that. So that's what makes me kind of wonder if it is even a Ulsa tool, to be honest. The box is 7 1/4 inches wide. It is 30 inches long, and it is 5 3/4 of an inch tall, or deep. What do you guys think is in this box? And whoever gets it correct, or as close as possible, I will send, get you guys information. I'll send you guys a Ulsa Tool sticker as well as a Wrench Trench Garage sticker. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. At the top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys are interested in anything from Ulsa Tools, Toolbox Organization, you know, hand tools, you click on that link. It's got my initials on it. It will give you 10% off your guys' order, as well as it will kick me back availability to get 10% off my next order, which helps me bring tools to the channel and everything else, because I saved a little money so I can buy other things. Do appreciate your guys' time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hope you guys have fun with these videos like I do. Appreciate you guys' time, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!